Hey everyone, happy almost spring break. I know for a lot of you, spring break is probably not what you imagined it was going to be like, but hopefully you'll get a chance to relax a little bit, maybe binge on some TV shows, and take a little break from all of this e learning that I know can be kind of overwhelming at times. Um, so, I just have a few reminders I'm going to go through with you today. Today is going to be more of a catch up day. And yeah, I'll just go over that. So, first of all, your reading response, if you haven't posted on Padlet, please make sure you do that today by the end of the day. Um, if any of these things that you've fallen way behind on and you just can't catch up by today, if you want to turn it in over spring break, that's totally fine. I'm trying to be really flexible here because I know everyone has different things going on and it's not always easy to get things done at home. So it's okay if you turn things in late. All right. Um, so our April reading record is now on Google, so you can start recording your minutes that you're reading each day. You are responsible to read over spring break. You would have been regardless. So make sure you're reading at least 30 minutes and please fill that out daily. I've also shared with you a quick survey just to get some feedback from you to see how e learning is going, what you're liking, what I could do differently to make this better, if there's any way I could support you more. If you could please just take a few minutes to fill that out, it will really help me with kind of my planning over spring break and thinking about how to move forward with all of this. So I would really appreciate that. Next, the spoken word poetry is due today. So I made a mistake and I only shared it with 3-4 yesterday. I'm so sorry about that. I realized at like 2 o'clock that I hadn't shared it with 7-8. I was getting all of these poems from 3-4, and then I realized, oh my gosh, I didn't share it with both classes. So if you're in 7-8, you have until midnight tonight to turn it in. Again, if it's something you still can't get to and you want to turn it in over spring break, that's okay too. Okay? But that is due today. That looks like this. This is the slideshow, and there's a recording with it that goes with that. Make sure you're listening to these recordings because I do go over a lot of important information and directions that you'll need. A few people have said that in this one in particular, I got like one or two people that said the movies maybe aren't working. And I get that every so often from people. So sometimes when you click on a movie and maybe it like looks like it's taking forever to load, oftentimes what I find, at least with my computer, is it's happening because I have too many tabs open. And you know me, I always have a million tabs open. So it happens all the time. If I close out all my tabs and then try it again, a lot of times it'll work. Or sometimes I even have to restart my computer. So if you're having trouble with the videos, that would be my suggestion. But the videos are so good on here, so make sure that you're able to see. I just want to make sure you're able to see them. Let me know if that doesn't work, if you're still having issues, and then we might have to see if somebody from the district can help her or something like that. But just email me if you've kind of like tried to close out all your tabs and you've restarted, and then if you're still having problems loading videos, I can try to contact someone in the technology department. Okay. Last reminder of today is just to tell you that today is a catch up day. So you can work on your spoken word poetry. If you haven't finished your reading response, that would be something to do. Your April reading record, but there's no new learning today. It's just more of making sure you have everything finished and completed so you can really enjoy your spring break as much as possible with being on, locked in your house. Anyway, so that is that. Today, I figured for the rest of the time, we will continue listening to house arrest. So here's our text. And if you remember, we left off, and Timothy was writing a letter kind of to his father. Go back one, you can see it, where he said Miss Bainbridge is making him write it, and he has a lot of questions for his dad. So that's kind of where we left off. He's still kind of writing. I feel like, that's the kind of, it was kind of the end of his letter, I think, because then he said, Miss Bainbridge, there isn't even a place to send it. All right, so we're going to continue listening for about, 9 minutes or so here.
You can't hear an angry burrito cry when that angry burrito is a baby with a trach wrapped in a blanket, so that his arms and legs can't move, so that you can bend his neck over a towel, so that you can pull the tube from his neck and put in a new, clean one. The angry burrito does not like you when you help do this, even when you burritoize him in his favorite spaceship blanket. Even when you whisper a story about dragons and a knight who talks with his hands, the angry burrito turns weird colors while your mom and his nurse work with super fast ninja moves to get that breathing tube switched out. 1, 2, 3, fast. The angry burrito stops crying when you give him a bottle, pat his fuzzy head, say, "Good job, Levi. Good job, little burrito." The angry burrito drinks too fast. The angry burrito barfs, and the ties around his neck, the brand new ties, get covered in barf. So you have to help switch them out again, and the whole scene starts over. An endless loop, because you have nothing better to do on a Saturday than make up stories about dragons to soothe an angry burrito. Confession. I ran to Jose's house today, just for 3 minutes to borrow his math book. Mom knew where I was going. She watched from the doorway. But now, I can't think about math. I can only think about other dimensions. Like, maybe right now our world exists somewhere else, but everyone has bunny ears or their butts on the fronts of their bodies. When I go to Jose's house, it's like another dimension. The house is exactly the same as mine, same rooms in the same places, except it is also exactly different. They have 7 people, we have 3. They have noise and chaos, we do too. But it's just all so different. So different. It's hard for me to figure out who has the best chaos. Beeping alarms or screeching sisters. Backpacks everywhere or medical supplies. Fuzzy baby head or guinea pig running loose. And all of it is hidden behind the same looking front door. The same looking windows. The same looking garage. A whole different dimension. It's just 3 houses down. And the only real thing we share between the 2 places is this one lousy math book that I can't even concentrate on. Jose's dad bought a car. It's a car he says used to be cool. Now it looks like a giant rusted turtle with no guts inside. T-Man, you can't keep doing this. The box drops at my feet. Don't call me T-Man. A bobblehead falls next to my foot. I don't crush it. I need the truck for groceries. Her hands on her hips, her jaw clenching. Put this stuff away. The toe of my shoe pushes at the box. Football, shaving cream, random dad stuff. I imagine it on fire. I imagine it on fire in an ocean of lava. I imagine it on fire in an ocean of lava with fireproof sharks circling it. I imagine it on fire in an ocean of lava with fireproof sharks circling it and shooting it with their laser eyes. There are never any groceries to go in the truck. I say it quietly to the box. Levi starts coughing. Mom goes to him. When I kick the box, more stuff falls out. The suction machine is louder than my kicks. I kick and kick.
Hmm. Sorry, it timed out or something. Hold on one sec. Let me see if I can get this to fix. All right, well, we're going to end it there for now because I'm having some technical difficulties. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Um, Go ahead and make sure you use this time wisely to kind of catch up on everything. Please email me with any questions you might have. I'm available tomorrow, even though it says that we might not be. I'll still be checking my email and everything. All right, thanks. Have a great day.